Data buzzes all around us, from customer profiles to performance metrics. But are we taking advantage of years of accumulated knowledge to fuel better business? AI technology could be the answer to help your organization be the most effective it can be in leveraging that data. Take your customer base. Identifying which new or potential customers are the right fit doesn't have to be a guessing game. With AI, historical data from previous customers can be leveraged to predict future customer behavior. Once a company is in your system, use AI to nurture those relationships from the start. There's no need to improvise recommendations or guess how a customer is feeling. AI can offer real-time insights into customer interest and purchasing decisions, letting your sales team develop stronger connections with current and new customers. Keep customers in the know with delivery updates based on your parametric data. AI can tell you what's delayed and who's not performing, and provide real-time yield projections. But AI is more than just efficient tracking. By learning about performance over time, it can help automate sales orders and customer notifications, allowing your team to focus on the work that really matters, the strategic tasks that drive business development and growth. AI automates the busy work and reveals key insights into what's driving customer behavior. It supports the integrity of your business decisions so you can support your team and your customers. With a comprehensive technology stack like the Microsoft Dynamics platform, AI is no longer an intangible concept. As a top Microsoft partner with trusted AI expertise, Armanino can support your unique needs around seamlessly and strategically incorporating AI into your business. Learn more about what AI can do for your company.